Hey, writers. Today is Wednesday, September 30th, 2020, and today you are going to learn to think, plan, and write. So, today's goal: when authors are writing true stories, authors rehearse for writing by touching the pages of a booklet and telling the story bit by bit, and by sketching what happens on each page. You will begin to write your own personal narrative. So, writers, today I want you to imagine writing your own books. And this year, we will get the chance to write your very own books. So, here's our chunk. Today, I want to teach you that real authors go, sorry, excuse that. Today, I want to teach you that when real authors go and write a book, they don't start by writing. No way. They start by storytelling. All right, so let's go ahead and get through this. First, let's think of something that happened to you, right? All right, so a time in which you had trouble, okay? Times and or things were very hard. So first, let's touch an imaginary page, okay? Imaginary pages and tell the story. Okay, trouble starts, trouble gets worse, trouble resolved. Okay, when you are all done with that, right? Let's go ahead and sketch, okay, on those imaginary pages. Okay. Next, you'll want to begin to write, okay, on each page. Okay. So just write one part of the story from your sketch. So when you are all done with the imagination part, okay, you'll really want to actually do this in your notebooks. Okay. So let's start by thinking of a time when you were in class and faced with trouble. Um, hmm. Since we don't really have classes, let's go ahead and use the FAST test as an example. So yesterday, you or on Monday, you were taking the FAST test. Okay. When you came across a question you didn't know, what were the first thoughts that came into your head? Okay. So go ahead, think about that situation. Think about that situation. Now think to yourself, how would it feel if you opened up an imaginary booklet of your memory and emotions? Okay, so let's go ahead and touch those first pages. Okay, so yesterday I was just fine until I ran into a question I didn't know. Now let's go ahead and turn on to the next page. What happened next? Okay, touch your imaginary pages you have so far and from those things that you have so far, okay, and then draw emotions in the air, how you felt. What did your face look like when you encountered this question on the fast test? Okay, what did it make you think of? What were the struggles that you had? Okay, so here is something that I quickly came up. I call this Trouble in Room 206. So each one of these little sentences is a page of its own, okay? And they have each a drawing to their own. So yesterday we were all reading quietly. It was so quiet you could hear pages turn. We heard a knock on the door. No one said anything. The door opened and it was Miss Kennedy. She told us we were being too loud. She told us her students were trying to concentrate. She looked very, very mad. Jasmine told Miss Kennedy that we had just been quietly reading. Miss Kennedy looked around the room and then she apologized. So here is your review, okay? Quickly, with the things that you have thought of so far about your fast test question, tell me the story of what happened and how you felt. Okay, write the story down and turn that quick story into Schoology. All right, I hope everybody is doing well, and that is the end of Writers Shy. I hope you are all doing well. See you soon.